Geneoscopy is a startup company founded at the Washington University School of Medicine, currently located at Cortex Laboratories, and we're non-invasively diagnosing colorectal cancer using biomarkers in stool samples. Colorectal cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths in this country, and it's not because colon cancer is incredibly invasive and we don't have good treatments, but because patients are not getting screened for the disease. So currently the gold standard for diagnosing colon cancer is a screening colonoscopy. Most people are aware it's incredibly invasive, it's very expensive, people have to take time off work to go get these done. And so what we're trying to do is develop a non-invasive method to detect colorectal cancer and precancerous change. And our hope is that more patients will be compliant with screening recommendations, and then we can catch cancer at an earlier stage and actually intervene and provide treatment for patients to reduce morbidity and mortality. We want to have patients go to their primary care physician and get a geneoscopy test. They go home with a stool collection kit, and in the privacy of their own home, they can actually deposit a stool sample and send it to Geneoscopy laboratories. At the laboratories, we're going to isolate the human cells from the stool samples, break them open, and look if the contents actually are malignant or precancerous. And this will allow us to determine if the patient actually needs to get a screening colonoscopy. Currently, we are in the middle of a 384 patient clinical trial. We hope to be successful in our clinical trial in terms of identifying patients with cancer, patients with polyps, and separating those from patients who are healthy and don't actually need a screening colonoscopy. We believe that success from this trial will allow us to move to an FDA-regulated clinical trial. Gaining FDA approval is a big milestone for Geneoscopy because this will allow physicians to be very comfortable with prescribing our tests, knowing that we can be as accurate as a colonoscopy in terms of diagnosing patients with cancer and diagnosing patients with polyps.